Let me show you how to use Format Painter in your Word documents. This is Format Painter. It is located in the section called Clipboard under File tab in Microsoft Office. Then how can you use the Format Painter? This is what it is for. Let's assume you apply a certain format to a particular text and you want to copy the format to another location. That is what Format Painter will be used for. Let's assume this is the caption or subheading in this document now, 2.5. You have to make this subheading bold. Then click on bold here. You now see that you have bold that. But if you check down, you'll see that this document has subtitles here that you can apply bold to. For instance, this A, you can bold this place. How can you copy the bold format that you have applied to the other text to any place that you want to apply it to? Just highlight the text with the format that you want to copy and then click on Format Painter. Once you click on Format Painter, it will give you this Format Painter icon. This is the Format Painter icon. This is the icon for Format Painter. It is like a brush attached to your pointer. Then click on where you want to apply the bold. Click and drag it. You now see that you have applied the same bold that you have copied from the other one, because that is the format that you have applied to what you have copied. Click on Format Painter, apply it any way you want to. But note, if you can double click on the Format Painter to apply the bold into different places, you can apply it here, apply it here. Any format that you want to apply, with that you can. Let's assume we have changed the font size here. Let's highlight this line now and change the font size. Make the font size a little bigger than what it is before. Apply bold, apply italic, even underline. Then you want this exact format to appear in another location. No need to try to say what did I do. Just click on highlight the place, click on Format Painter, then click the new location that you want to apply the same format to, like this. Now see, automatically the same format in terms of bold, italic, underline that you have applied here will be applied to the new location. Then now see, now if you now highlight this place now and click on Format Painter, and then you click where you want it to appear the same, that is what Format Painter is used for. You use it to apply the format that you apply to a certain text into another text. Simple, highlight the text with the formats you want to apply to another one. Click on Format Painter, then click on the next one that you want to apply. Note, you can use Ctrl+Shift+C. It will copy the format, and if you then use Ctrl+Shift+P, once you highlight the new text, you now have it applied to the new text. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos.